HIKARI Computerized Direct Drive High-Speed H9500A-7D Lockstitch Sewing Machine. HIKARI Cloud Sewing Machine. Thread tail can be controlled within 3 mm accurately. Electronic tension device makes no thread tighten surface. Meet the standard of high-quality garment and improve the quality. Dry needle bar, dry thread take-up lever, and sealed oil tank. Strictly anti-oil pollution design, completely prevent oil leakage. The machine structure has been optimized, deeply researched and optimized thus coordination and balance of thread tension. Realize the straightness and beauty of the stitch. Reverse stitch can completely overlap. Low noise during reverse stitching. Computerized digital stitch control. Precise parameter adjustment. Variable stitch during stitching. Multi-stitches, which can be hardly achieved by the traditional Lockstitch machine. Optional HIKARI Cloud Technology Service can be connected with phone app by Wi-Fi. Machines can be connected internally to achieve the LOT connections. Can be connected with the ERP system. Establish the production form of real-time information sharing. Errors report a remote service by internet connection. Cloud sewing machine. HIKARI Computerized Direct Drive High-Speed H9500A-7D Lockstitch Sewing Machine. HIKARI, focusing on new technology and automation.